In this video, we will show you how to add a Google Tag Manager code in WordPress. If you guys want to get started with WordPress, you can use the links down in the description. The first thing you will want to do is set up a Google Analytics account. To get started, visit Google Analytics and click on Start Measuring to create your account. You will be given some options for data sharing, which you can toggle on or off. When you're finished, click the Next button to proceed. The next section is the Property Setup page. On the following page, you will enter some more specific information about your business. Finally, click on Create and accept the terms to complete your Google Analytics account. Now that your account is complete, you will arrive at the Google Analytics dashboard. You will be directed to the Data Streams tab, where you can add your first data stream to start. On the following page, enter the URL of the website you would like to start tracking. The measurement ID is required to add Google Analytics to your WordPress site. Head over to Google Tag Manager from the Google Analytics dashboard or visit its website. Once you log into Google Tag Manager, click on Create Account to get started. Then enter some basic information, including the URL of your container. The container is the website that you will be integrating with Google Tag Manager. You will then enter some basic information, including the URL of your container. Once you are finished, click on Create to complete your account. You can either copy this code or leave this tab open while proceeding to the next step. One popular plugin for adding Google Analytics to your WordPress site is Monster Insights. This tool connects your site to Google Analytics and adds dashboard analytics reports. First, install and activate the plugin. You'll then see a new Insights tab in the left-hand menu. Make sure you're signed into the Google account used for your Google Analytics signup. Also allow permissions for Monster Insights and follow the prompts to get connected. Once you select your profile and hit Complete Connection, Google Analytics will collect data. Data collection may take time, then view reports in your dashboard under Insights Reports. So that's how to add a Google Tag Manager code in WordPress. Make sure to use the links down in the description to get started with WordPress. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.